2026 Lexus LX is the ultimate blend of luxury and power, a flagship SUV that combines refinement with serious off-road ability. From the first look, it commands attention with a bold, sculpted design. The massive spindle grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular lines give it a confident, modern stance that looks just as striking in the city as it does on rough terrain. Inside, the cabin feels like a private lounge. Every surface is covered in premium leather, wood, and aluminum. The 2026 LX introduces Lexus's new Tazuna cockpit design, everything within easy reach and focused on the driver. A 14-inch main touchscreen pairs with a 7-inch lower display for climate and drive mode settings. The interface is fast, clear, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers enjoy ventilated, massaging seats, and in the ultra-luxury trim, 2 executive-style seats replace the middle one with a center console featuring a touchscreen and a cooler. Under the hood, the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It accelerates smoothly and confidently. The adaptive suspension and electronic dampers adjust instantly to keep the ride smooth, whether you're on asphalt or dirt. Multi-Terrain Select lets you switch between mud, sand, rock, or snow, making the LX just as capable off-road as it is refined on-road. On the move, the LX feels calm and composed. The cabin is whisper quiet, the steering is light in the city and firm on highways, and the 4WD system manages traction automatically for confident control, even with its large size and body-on-frame build. It rides with the grace of a luxury sedan and minimal body roll. Safety is comprehensive with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, offering adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, intersection collision prevention, and a driver attention monitor that checks for fatigue. A 360-degree camera with underbody view helps navigate tight spaces or rough trails. It can tow up to 8,000 pounds, and fuel efficiency has improved slightly thanks to optimized turbo tuning. A hybrid variant may also join the lineup later, enhancing power and efficiency even further. The 2026 Lexus LX stands out for its balance, strong yet elegant, tough yet refined. It's built for those who expect both adventure and comfort without compromise. Whether you're conquering mountains or cruising downtown, it delivers power, prestige, and pure Lexus sophistication. Every drive feels effortless. Every moment inside feels special. The new LX isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of capability and class.